All right, it's Sunday morning sometime, I don't know. It's crazy hot out, and kind of plans changed. I was supposed to go away today, now I'm not. And tomorrow is supposed to be sunny. Now it isn't, it's gonna rain. So it's probably a good thing that pitman arm blew the hell out of this. So I don't have a bunch of hay down. So the plan is to go up, hook onto the rake the few rounds I got done, and let it cook for a few hours. So hot out. It's our new rooster. It's like right there. You can see him kind of shadowed here. There he is. So yeah, like I say, I don't know how much drying the hay will do, but it should cook anyway, enough to hopefully stay good. Well, better than laying out in the field for a week. So say, let it cook, rake it, let it cook for a few hours, bale it, and get it hauled in and put over here, covered up. So, all right, better go hook onto the rake. Stuff did dry down pretty good. Actually went a lot better than I thought it would. A little bit of green there. That was pretty thick. Any part that's laid down good seems to be okay. Drying good. Oh yeah. Kind of wish the mower hadn't have broke now, but anyway, we get this stuff done, raked, baled, and done up today, and now it's showing rain like all week next week, so this week coming. Anyway, let's get raking. Great, get it raked. It's gonna get a few hours of drying time, and that's it. The odd damp spot in her like that. For the most part, it's pretty good. Say for the equipment I'm using, ideally I'd want 4 days, right? If I had the 4 days, so you'd mow yesterday, rake today, rake tomorrow again, bale Tuesday. Say I don't have that, so it's just gonna rain tomorrow. Well, it's gonna rain all next week. It's showing, but so getting mowed yesterday and baled today is gonna have to be good enough. Figure it's gonna be better than having this laying out here for who knows how long, week maybe. So today I get this in, and that gives me all week to get a new pitman arm made and put on that mower. And after this rain, after this week, it looks good. So I have to get out here after that and just fight my way through this field. Jesus, it's rough mowing in here. Figure any other field that pitman arm would have held up, but not in this one. So say new pitman arm, then I can get out here and just do this whole field. All right, pellets are down. I don't know, I might need 3 more. Come out here. I don't know. Gonna find out here. So we're gonna make a fuel run because it's so hot. Usually get AC in the truck and do that, get cooled down. And what am I gonna do? Get back from that, and then I'm gonna go put that twine in the baler. So anyway, getting some AC and take a break. Alright, so while I'm waiting for the hay to dry down a bit more, figured I'd come get some beans and peas out of the garden. Yeah, I know it's a little weedy, but I don't have a cultivator yet. So just doing what I can to try and stay ahead of the weeds. Anyway, we got like row beets here. We got onions. Kind of see them in there. Here we get beans. And the beans are really growing good. And over here we get some carrots and stuff. Coming pretty good. A few taller weeds to get out of here. A spot of a row there, I guess I missed. There's nothing there. Down here, they're hard to see, but they're so weedy. But there are peas in there. More onions. Over here we got zucchinis, squash. Oop. Yeah. 3 rows of russet potatoes, which are coming really nice. Over here we got a few more rows of potatoes, kind of sparse, but we've been digging through them and eating them. So. Oh yeah. Really impressed with those 3 rows of russets, but all right, get over here. Squash are vining out good. Now, here we can find some full pods. Got a few the other day. Oh, there's one. Another one. Anyway, enough out of here for supper. Yeah, good enough. Alright, let's walk up here, see what we got for beans. A lot more peas in here. I'm just kind of jumping through them. Oh yeah, they're in here. All right. So, definitely enough for a supper or two here. So, anyway, I'll get these picked out and hopefully get out and make some hay. Just thought I'd show you the garden. Say, just ignore the weeds. I don't have a cultivator yet, so hopefully next year I will. Okay, so I think I'm ready to go. Getting the baler done. Oh, that old tiller, hoping I can have that going for the garden next year for a cultivator. So, say, as far as cultivating this year, the garden's a write-off, as far as I'm concerned, but we get something out of it. So, gotta keep this door closed where the chickens go in. And crap all over everything. Alright. See you up at the baler. Now, When I originally strung the baler, I kind of messed up. I put both balls, bales, string, twine, whatever you want to call them, on this end, and I probably shouldn't have, but it's gonna be easy enough here, so let's move that over there. Now, a little twist there, imagine that'll come out. Now, that in there. Hooks up into that spot there, so that there. Okay. Now, so he's cutting that. Must be my loop in there to tie in. There's spot there. Okay. Now, so we'll get them switched around here. All right. Okay, you're gonna need 2 hands to open this. Alright. Now. Okay. Alright, guess that's what I want. Now, I don't know whether to tie them on yet or not. Maybe I should, there's not much twine left in these. I don't know how much I'm gonna, well, I don't know. Probably gonna have to make another twine run. Get up to Sussex. Anyways, let's see if this tire will hold air. All it's gonna do is hold air for 2 hours. Alright, she took air. Probably take a bit more. I just don't want to overfill it because I don't want to blow it up. As long as that holds air for a couple hours. Now, stop. There we go. Okay. Now I came up with a blowout nozzle, the air compressor. Anyways, I blew the knotters all out. Say, just years of dirt accumulation in there. Last time I baled, this side here was missing a little bit on me, more than it was. I don't dare grease them, as I was told they're just 3 pumps of grease every 1,500 bales or so. So, anyways, I'm gonna enter some spray stuff. There. Just leave that at that now. I'll have to go home, get my tractor, and go get that hay baled. There's some cloud coming in now. So, anyways, say it's probably 85% ready. So, I figured baling it at 85% and is better than letting it sit out in the rain all week. So, anyways, there's a couple heavy spots there, so I got a fork with me. So, I'll just fork it all in. But It is up a couple days ago, done some maintenance here. Got all my U-joints greased. Cleaned the knotters up, so. I have seen a video there a while ago. The guy was running the baler with this open, same baler, Massey 10. Somebody said that's the way to do it because it keeps your knotters blow better. So I don't know, I might start doing that myself, or I'll just kind of keep it covered and then hit her with a blow nozzle every time. After every time I use it. Gosh, I'm getting tongue tied. Yeah, can't even talk. For some reason that seems loose. I don't know, must be just from sitting. All right, time to get baling. Most of it looks pretty dry. Bit of a damp spot there. Stuff up at this end, it was pretty heavy, so I'm gonna fork that into the baler by hand, set the bales aside. When I get them home, I'll just set them out in the edge of the pallets or whatever. Try and keep them separate till they dry out more in the bale. So yeah, I just know if I feed this into the baler by driving into it, I'm just gonna break shear pins. So I'll just feed this stuff slowly. Alright, I made one trip around. These bales actually turned out damn good. Probably the best ones I've done so far. Alright. They're good and tight, nice color. So, alright, let's get these other 2 rounds done. So we're starting to get a few raindrops here. It's kind of nice. Very cloudy. Uh-oh. It's gonna... Ooh, that one's soggy. So I'm just gonna kind of go around the truck, load everything up. I don't know. Get some out of my way because I'm kind of narrow in here, and it does take the rain in. I can't just kind of quit and get on home and get this stuff under cover. Hey, that's it. I'm done haying. Yeah, most of it. Maybe you can see in the back window, I don't know. You're probably close to 20 bales on, so I gotta get home, get these under cover.